Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What's your hobby?
I love reading books.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Are you tired?
No, I'm feeling fine.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and milk.
What's your favorite sport?
I love playing soccer.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm a little hungry.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little bit.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you watch TV often?
Yes, I watch TV every evening.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like going to the beach?
Yes, I love swimming and relaxing by the sea.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend's name is Lisa.